My name is Erik Simon. I work at College View Middle School as a 8th grade teacher and then a virtual teacher for all 3 grades. I was the head custodian there for 6 years and decided to get my degree, and now I'm teaching, so I guess that's a minor success story. I came from a single parent household and a kid that did not like school. I had troubles with wanting to be in class. It wasn't ever a respect thing, it was more of an authority thing. What that does is it helps me relate to kids who may be in a similar situation, and not even that these kids are bad or being steered in the wrong direction, but that they might just need a little bit push in the right direction and a little bit of guidance. And I've been able to do that with a few of the students at College View. Even as a custodian, I was able to do that. I had a great childhood, a loving family, but it was a single parent household, so I'm sure things were tougher on my mom than I realized. And there are probably things that are tougher on students than most of us realize. Anytime I'm available to help a student or just talk to a student, sometimes they just need 5 minutes of your time, and that's all it takes to brighten a student's day or to show them that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. It's important for teachers and other adults to recognize when students aren't engaged or as engaged as they should be in school. And it may not be because of a school-related problem or because they don't understand the work or what they're being assigned. A lot of times it's because of exterior forces and things that are coming from, maybe home or at the bus stop. There's always different ways to interpret a child's attitude or their responses to certain things or certain situations, and it's important for us as adults to share those experiences that we've had to try to guide them in the right direction so that they're not feeling like lost and that there's no hope for them. Sharing our success stories or even our failures sometimes is more important, because they see that as teachers and as educators that we're not all perfect and that we've made plenty of mistakes in our lives, but we can always come back around and find a positive way out. And it's important to show those students that there is hope and there is somebody that they can lean on. My name is Erik Simon from College View Middle School, and I am an advocate.